ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविदूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अद्वैत सिद्धि द्वितीय तर्क is going on. What is the द्वितीय तर्क?
विश्वं यदि कल्पितं स्यात् तदा सप्रधानं स्यात्।
विश्वं यदि कल्पितं स्यात् तदा सप्रधानं स्यात्. What is the meaning of pradhanam?
Brahma. व्यावहारिक जगत और ब्रह्म.
व्यावहारिक जगत और any Brahma, anything that is adhyastha. So that vastu has to exist somewhere else. That is the point. So Siddhanti said no, it need not be existing anywhere. Page number 381. Now we are discussing sadrishyam. Yadyapi last line. यद्यपि सादृश्यम सोपाधिक अध्यासे न कारणम व्यभिचारात् तथापि निरूपाधिक अध्यासे अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम तस्य अवश्यम अपेक्षणीयत्वात्. सोपाधिक अध्यास and nirupadika adhyas. Adhyas means Brahma also. So sometimes they will use the term Brahma. Sopadhika and nirupadhika. Atma anatma adhyasa is sopadhika or nirupadhika? Don't say we have not studied Brahma Sutra. So
Swamiji, it depends on the adhyastha vastu is sopatika or nirupadika.
Nirupadika.
my question is Atma Anatma Adhyasa is Sopadika or Nirupadika?
It depends.
Why? No, it doesn't. It's clear answer. This way or that way, that's all. It is Nirupadika.
Nirupadika Swami.
Nirupadika Adhyasa means there is no Upadhi. But is avidya there or not?
There, Swamiji.
If avidya is there, then why can't avidya be upadhi?
After Karana Adhyasa Upadhi develops.
My question is why avidya is not upadhi? Avidya is also considered as upadhi. Avidya is samanya for all adhyasa. Therefore, it is not considered as a separate upadhi. Otherwise, there would not be any distinction between sopadika and nirupadika because all adhyasas expect some avidya. So, therefore, to create a distinction, avidya is not considered as upadhi. Other than avidya, if something else is there, that is upadhi. These concepts are, they have to be very clear. So he says, Yadyapi sadrishyam sopadika adhyase na karanam, Purvapakshi is saying. Why Vyavicharat? तथापि निरुपाधिक अध्यासे अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम तस्य अवश्यम अपेक्षणीयत्वात्. But in nirupadika adhyasa, avidya, not avidya, sadrishyam is required. So this Purvapakshi's thinking is, in sopadika adhyasa, sadrishyam is not karana. But in nirupadika adhyasa, sadrishyam is karanam, it is required. Apekshaniyatvat. Sopadike api, in sopadika also, raktah sphatikah. So raktah sphatikah is sopadika brahma, because you have japa kusuma flower, a red flower, as upadhi in front of a sphatika. What is the sadrishya in them? There is no sadrishya. Because raktatva is guna, sphatika is dravya. Then guna adhyasa is happening on sphatika. So there is no sadrishya. सोपाधिके अपि रक्तः स्फटिकः इत्यादौ द्रव्यत्वादिना सादृश्यस्य सत्वात्. पूर्वपक्षी ही thinks this way. Both of them have द्रव्यत्वम. जपा कुसुम है द्रव्यत्वम, स्फटिक has द्रव्यत्वम. Dravyatva is there in both. That is the sadrishya. That is the similarity. So, in Sopadika Brahma also, sadrishyam is present. In Nirupadika Adhyasa, he said there is, through Anvay Vyatireka, we can explain sadrishya is not, sadrishya is required. Tasya avashyam apekshaniyatvat. How will you do Anvay Vyatireka of Nirupadika Adhyasa and sadrishyam? सादृश्य सत्वे निरुपाधिक अध्यास सत्वम सादृश्या भावे nirupadika adhyasa abhava. This is the anvaya vyatireka. And therefore, sadrishyam nirupadika adhyasasya karanam. This is Purvapakshi's thinking. Siddhanti said, na. Avidya adhyasasya anaditvena avidya adhyasa is anadi. When they say anadi means what is anadi in this context? Anadi means it does not need any karana. It does not need any nimitta. Can you hear me or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
So it does not need any nimitta. In other words, anadi avidya adhyasa does not need sadrishyam because it is anadi. Between pradhana, now you remember the original tarka, right? Pratikula tarka Purvapakshi had given. There has to be adhishthanam should be sapradhanam. There has to be some real entity which is adhyastha in adhisthana. So it has to exist somewhere. So we said it need not exist anywhere else. It can be only in the form of samskara. Now between them sadrishyam, between pradhana and adhisthana, means jagat and brahma. What is the sadrishya between jagat and brahma? There is no sadrishya. But Siddhanti will say there is kalpita sadrishya. Kalpana can happen anywhere. Or you say you don't need sadrishya. Between swapna drashta and swapna, what is sadrishya? There is no sadrishya. Still, you do some kalpana and you see swapna. So, for Brahma Siddhi, this pradhana means jagat and adhisthana, Brahma, between them, Purvapakshi had said there will be Anyonya Ashraya. You remember in the beginning? It started. Today's session that we started just before that. Last line on 381. Nirdharma ke brahmani tasya api adhyasa adhinatvena anyanya ashrayat. So Siddhanti says this anyanya ashraya will not be there because of anadi avidya adhyasa does not need any sadrishya. Further, what about antakaranadi? So see, in the Moolam, na. अविद्या अध्यासस्य अनादित्वेन कारण अनपेक्षस्य सादृश्य अनपेक्षत्वात्. 6 anadis are there. Avidya is also anadi. Anaditvena karana anapekshasya sadrishya anapekshत्वात्. Jagat is agamapayi. Yesterday this discussion had come. Wherever there is agamapayitvam, this came in Vedanta Paribhasha. So what is agamapayitvam? Or in Neshkarma Siddhi is not my swarupa. Agamapayitvam is not my swarupa. So what about Brahma? Brahma is not Agamapayi. That is my swarupa. Avidya, etc., they are anadi, but they all have anta. Out of 6 anadi, how many are ananta?
Brahma alone.
Only one, Brahma. Everything else has end. So their nisheda will happen. When Vidya comes, all the other 5 will go. So that way, anaditva does not mean nityatva. Agamapayitva is there, either it is sadi or santa. Antakarana adhyase tu avidya sambandhitvasya sadrishyasya vidyamanatvat. Antakarana adhyase, you explained about avidya adhyasa. What about antakarana adhyasa? Antakarana adhyase tu avidya sambandhitatvasya avidya sambandhitvasya eva sadrishyasya vidyamanatvat. Brahma and avidya, they have sambandha. Adhisthana, adhyasya sambandha. Antakarana and avidya, they have avidya sambandha. What is the sambandha? Karya karana sambandha. Antakarana and avidya. Avidya is karana. Antakarana. Why all of you are in so much deep meditation? So to answer question, to prepare a little more. So karya karana adhyasa, karya karana sambandha is there, antakarana and avidya. Adhisthana, adhyasa sambandha is there between avidya and Brahma. So both of them are avidya sambandhi. Avidya sambandhitvasya sadrishyasya vidyamanatva. So Brahma and avidya, you don't need any sadrishya because avidya is anadi. Brahma and antakarana means antakarana and chaitanya, between them there is adhyasa, avidya sambandhitvasya. So sadrishyam, similarity is this. Both are avidya sambandhi. Up to this, Siddhanti gave explanation accepting that sadrishyam is needed for adhyasa. Antakarana is upadhi. So antakarana adhyasa will be sopadhika adhyasa. Therefore it requires, if it has sadrishyam,
Sadrishya.
now Siddhanti says, vastu tastu, na brahme sadrishya apeksha niyama. In reality, in Brahma, sadrishya apeksha niyama is not this. Nirupadhike api pitaha shankhaha ityado vyabhicharat. In Nirupadhika Brahma also, pitaha shankhaha, in that there is vyabhichara. So Nirupadhika is Rajju Sarpa Drishtanta you take, or Pita Shankha. In Rajju Sarpa, There is no upadhi. There is no other entity. Only avidya is there, because of which I see Rajju as Sarpa. Because of avidya, I see Shankha as Pita. So Sadrishya is not there, but Adhyasa is there. So Purvapakshi's Vyapti was Sadrishya Sattva Nirupadika Adhyasa Sattva Anvaya, and Vyatireka Sadrishya Abhave Abhav. But Sadrishya here is not there, and Nirupadika Adhyasa is there. Which Vyabhichara is this? Karana Abhava Karya Sattva. Vyatireka Vyabhichara. Karana is not there. Karya is there. What is Vyatireka? Karana Abhava Karya Abhava. This is Vyatireka Sahachara. Karana Abhava Karya Abhava Vyatireka Vyabhichara. Karana Abhava Karya Sattva Vyatireka Vyabhichara. So that is why Ityado Vyabhicharat. Raktah Sphatikaha. Ityadawapi Dravyatwadina Sadrishyam Asti. Iti api na. In Rakta Sphatika, Purvapakshi said, Dravyatva Sadrishyam is there. Dravyatva is samanam between Rakta Sphatika. First of all, you should understand, Raktaha, only the Japa Kusuma Rupa, that Raktima, Lalima, comes on Sphatika, not the Pushpa. But even if you say it is Pushpa and therefore both are Dravya, Ityadavapi Dravyatwadina Sadrishyam Asti iti apina. There is no Sadrishyam between them. Pradhana Matra Vrittitaya Prag Avagatam Adhyasa Samaye cha Adhisthana Vrittitaya Grihitam. Yat Tadeva hi Sadrishyam Viparyaya Prayojakam iti Tvayapi Vachya. A very beautiful line. What is Sadrishyam? So in English we say Sadrishyam is similarity. So it says Sadrishyam is what? Pradhana Matra Vrittitaya Prag Avagatam. Prag means Adhyasat Prag. Take Drashtanta of Rajju Sarpa. In Rajju Sarpa, what is Pradhanam? What is Adhishthanam?
Raju.
So what is Pradhanam?
Sarpa.
Sarpa. Pradhana Matra Vritti. What is there only in Sarpa? Means I have recognized it only in Sarpa before Adhyasa. So there is a Sarpa, some photo I have seen or illusory snake I saw somewhere. And that Lambatvam is there. It is long. This much I saw. Pradhana Matra Vrittitaya Prag Avagatam. Adhyasa Samaye. At the time of Adhyasa, when I see Rajju as Sarpa, Samaye cha Adhisthana Vrittitaya Grihitam Yat. What I recognize as the feature of Adhisthana, in the length. So at the time of Adhyasa, I see the length of the rope, which at the time of earlier, I had seen it as the length of snake. Tadeva hi Sadrishyam Viparyaya Prayojaka. This Sadrishyam is the Prayojaka for Viparita Bhavana. Not any Sadrishyam. What I had seen, if I had already seen long snake, long rope before, and I had known both of them, then when I see rope, then there is no Sarpa Brahma. there can be sarpa samshaya, because this can be sarpa. Because you know, Rajju also can be long sarpa, so it is samshaya. It is not Brahma. Brahma is when the aspect of the adhishthanam is known only at the time of adhyasa. See, he explains this. तदेव हि सादृश्यम विपर्यय प्रयोजकम इति त्वयापि वाच्यम न तु प्रागेव प्रधान अधिष्ठान उभय वृत्तितया गृहीतम तस्य संशयकत्वात्। प्राग एव प्रधान अधिष्ठान उभय वृत्तितया गृहीतम, प्रधान वृत्ति एंड अधिष्ठान वृत्ति तया गृहीतम, लंबत्वम, the length, longness. If it is known earlier for both, it will produce samshaya. It will create doubt whether it is this or that. It will not be adhyasa. Tasya samshayakatvat. Like shell and silver, Rajata and Shukti. Shukti, Rajata. Shukti has, Rajata has Chakachikya, that you already know. Shukti, when you see suddenly at the time of adhyasa, in sunlight, it shines, the glare comes. And at that time, you think it is Rajata. So there is no doubt. Is it Rajata or is it Shukti? If it is samshaya, it is not Brahma, it is not viparya. So samshaya and viparya are different. Like sthanurva purushova. This is samshaya. Further he explained. Dravyatvadi. Now Purvapakshi said this is Dravyatvam. Dravyatvadi cha lohita alohita vrittitaya pragrihitam iti na viparya prayojakam. If you already knew that both of them are dravya, so ubhaya vrittitaya grihitam yat tat samshayakatvat. What is there in both, it will produce only samshaya. Kincha sadrishyam na swato brahma karanam mana bhava. Kintu samskar udbodhena samagri sampadakataya samskar udbodhascha na sadrishyika niyatah. After up to samagri sampadakataya, comma, up to that basically. Sadrishyam is not by itself the Brahma Karanam, because in that there is no pramana, mana bhava. Kintu sanskar udbodhena samagri sampadakataya. Samagri sampadakataya, what? Samagri sampadakataya kim?
Brahmakaranam.
Brahmakaranam. So, sadrishyam will, what it will do? Samskar udbodhana. In this way, it will give samagri. Samskar udbodhasya na sadrishyika niyataha. And samskar udbodha is not sadrishya niyata. Niyamit rupena sanskar udbodhanam does not happen when there is sadrishya. Just because there is sadrishya, samskar udbodhanam will happen. Samskara Udbodhan will happen, it will create adhyasa. This is not a niyama. And Samskar Udbodhanam does not happen only because of Sadrishya. Samskar Udbodhan can happen because of so many other reasons. Adrishtadinapi tat sambhavat. By Adrishta also, Samskar Udbodha can happen. So like if I ask a question and your Adrishta is very powerful, let us say, Punya. Suddenly Sanskar Udbodha answer will come. And sometimes Adrishta is not powerful. So he says, Swamiji, Sanskar Udbodhanam is not happening. Uttara is not coming. Some pratibandha is there between Adrishta and Sanskar Udbodhana. Taduktam. Sadrishya Drishtachintadyah Smriti Bijasya Bodhakaha iti. So this Vakya is given in your book, in the Hindi Tika, Chintadika Vyakhyan, Pranidhan Nibandha Abhyasa Linga Lakshana Sadrishya Parigraha Ashraya Ashrita Sambandha Ananta Anantarya Viyoga Ekakarya Virodha Atishaya Prapti Vyavadhana Sukha Dukha Ichha Dvesha Bhayarthitva Kriya Raga Dharma Dharma Nimittebhyaha. This is the Nyaya Sutra. It says Sadrishya Adrishta Chintadhyaha Smriti Bijasya Bodhaka. All of them are Bodhaka of the Smriti Bija. So in the Nyaya Darshana Sutra, this sutra is given, its Bhashya elaborates that all these are Smriti Bijasya Bodhakaha. Any of these can trigger some Smriti. We can just quickly go through them. Pranidhana means when my mind becomes ekagra, some samskar udbodhan can happen. If it is good, good samskaras can come. Like how mantra drashtas, etc. Ekagrata, some answers come. Nibandha, one sutra connecting to another sutra. So any two padartha connected by one thread, you will know. Abhyasa, if punaravarti has been done, it will come. Linga. So sanyogi, samavayi, ekartha samavayi, virodhi. These are all linga. Lakshana. Sanketika chinna, they have given example. Like if you see Kapidwaja, a flag with Hanumanji, and it will remind you of Arjuna. This is Lakshana. So some other samskara udvod. There is no sadrishya. Sadrishya is next one. Gavaya darshana, God smarana. Parigraha. Between Swami and Dasa. So one is there, like some Mahatmas, they always go everywhere with their sevak. The sevak is not there. And sevak is there means the Swami has come. Ashraya Ashrita. Grama and Grama Nayaka. Sambandha. See, these are some old types, traditional. You may coin some new ones also. You see somebody's phone or somebody's car. It's a different kind of sambandha. It is not always Guru Shishya sambandha. Anantarya. Vedam Kratva Vedim Karoti. First, Veda Karanam and Vedi Karanam, actually they have specific meaning. That when they put some darbha, etc., some gold coin also, then they make the Vedi. Viyoga. Viraha Vyatha, when two people are, one is here, another is in some other place, another country. They both look at moon and both are crying. Like that they show. Eka karya karita. Two people, both are engaged in the same work. So then that, if you see one, it reminds you of the other. Then virodha, atishaya, prapti, etc. Vyavadhana. The sheath of a sword. It reminds you of the activities in palace. Then sukha dukha. They remind you of punya papa. Ichha dvesha, mitra shatru, bhaya, arthitva, kriya, raga, dharma, dharma. All of them are different kinds of reminders. Means some samskar bija udbodhaka, they all are. Okay. तथा च अन्यतः संस्कार उद्बोधे सति. So this chintadikam cha pranidhana sutre. This what are chintadikam? We already saw vyakhyatam. तथा च अन्यतः संस्कार उद्बोधे सति sadrishyam anupayogi. If for any other reason samskar udbodhan can happen, then sadrishyam is not needed. Without sadrishyam also adhyasa is possible. Now you think of Jagat and Brahma. Sadrishyam is not there. But samskar udbodhanam can happen. Actually, in any case, something you superimpose on something, whether it is there or not, right, wrong, nothing. So sadrishyam is not needed. Taduktam vivarane. Nirupadika brahma karya darshanam eva guna avayava samanya abhave api ketaki gandha sadrishaha sarpagandha itivat sadrishyantaram va shankha pitimadaviva karanantaram va kalpayati iti. In Vivarana it is said, Nirupadika brahma karya darshanam eva. Nirupadika Brahma means adhyasa, karya, adhyasa eva karya. Nirupadika adhyasa karya darshanam eva guna avayava samanya abhave api. Because normally what do they say? Bhuyo avayava samanya. Between two things, adhyasa is there because bhuyo avayava samanya. Lot of parts of the two, they have similarity. Like between Shukti and Rajat, lot of parts they look similar. Between Rajju and Sarpa, lot of parts look similar. Or Gunavatvam, they have similar qualities. So either Gunavatvam or Bhuyo Avayava Samanyatvam. But here it is said Guna Avayava Samanya both Abhava. Guna Abhave Avayava Samanya Abhave Api. Ketaki Gandha Sadrisha Sarpagandha. जैसे केतकी गंध सदृश सर्पगंध. दिस दृष्टांत इज गिवन इन विवरण. केतकी फ्लावर स्मेल्स लाइक सर्प इतिवत सादृश्यांतरम वा, और सम सादृश्यांतरम कैन बी देयर. बट इन पीतः शंखः, इसे निरुपाधिक ब्रह्म नंबर 1. देयर इज नो गुण सामान्यम. There is no bhuyo avayava samanya between Pita Shankha. And still, so there is no Pita Rupa in Shankha at all. But adhyasa is there. So you will have to say there is some other karana. Shankha Piti Madaviva Karanantaram va kalpayati. Some other karana, kalpana you will have to do. In other words, sadrishyam is not required, whether it is sopadhika or nirupadhika. So the pratikula tarka that Purvapakshi had given is refuted. That if Vishwam is kalpitam, then some sadrishya with a real entity has to be there. Neither real entity is required nor sadrishyam is required. That is Khandana. Next, fourth tarka. Nanu dosham vina brahma svikare tad apramanyasya swatastvapattihi. So I will give you the vakya for this in a bit. Let's just keep moving. Dosham vina brahma svikare. Without, Purvapakshi says, without dosha, if you accept Brahma, Brahma means adhyasa, then tad apramanyasya swatastvapattihi. That apramanyam is swataha apramanyam. Because without any dosha, you got adhyasa. And if you accept dosha is required for adhyasa, dosha janyatva swikaretu, doshasya api adhyasaniyattvena. Dosha itself has to be superimposed. Then dosha janya adhyasa. So then adhyasa is required for dosha. And then once that dosha is there, it will produce adhyasa. Then that another dosha, like that, it will continue. Anavasthapatti. Iti chet. Siddhanti said, na. Anadi avidya adhyasasya dosha anapekshatva. Anadi avidya adhyasa does not require any dosha. Without dosha, adhyasa, avidya adhyasa can happen. And sadhya adhyasasya, any sadhi adhyasa, cha avidya dosha janyatvad. It is because of avidya dosha. It is avidya dosha janya. There is a beautiful shloka on this page in Hindi Tika 385. Apramanyam tridha bhinnam mithyatva jnana samshayaihi.
अप्रामाण्यं त्रिधा भिन्नं मिथ्यात्वाज्ञानसंशयैः
वस्तुत्वात् द्विविधस्यात्र संभवो दुष्टकारणात्.
वस्तुत्वाद्विविधस्यात्र सम्भवो दुष्टकारणात्
Apramanyam is three types, divided into three: Mithyatva, Ajnana, and Samshaya. Mithyatva, Jnana, Samshayaihi, Apramanyam, Tridha Bhinnam. Dvividhasya Vastutvat. Mithyatva and Ajnana. So he gives the sequence in Hindi as Brahma, Samshaya, and Ajnana. Then he says Brahma and Samshaya, they are Bhavarupa. Means they require dosha. And Ajnana doesn't require dosha because it is Bigaliya. This is Shloka Vartika. So Purvapakshi is quoting this. Siddhanti says Avidya does not require any adhyasa. Dosha anapekshatvat. Sadhya adhyasasya cha avidya dosha janyatvat na apramanyasya swatasvam. Napi anavastha. Apramanyam is not swataha. Na apramanyasya swatastvam. Apramanyasya na asatstvam napi anavastha. Anavastha is not there. That is simple one because you need something before avidya adhyasa takes place is not necessary. Without any other dosha, avidya adhyasa can happen. So there is no anavastha dosha. Okay, the Chaturtha Tarka is of this type that you just note down. Vishwam yadi kalpitam syat, tada satya dosho pretam syat. Vishwam yadi kalpitam syat, tada satya dosho pretam syat. Then it has to have satya dosha. So Siddhanti is going to say Satya dosha is not needed. For avidya adhyasa, dosh itself is not needed. And for sadi adhyasa, even if there is dosha, avidya itself is the dosha. And therefore, Brahmagata apramanya, in Brahma, whatever is the apramanyam, swatastvo is not there. It is because of avidya. Because of avidya, karya adhyasa will take place. And karana adhyasa does not need any other karana. So neither there is anavastha nor there is swatastva of the apramanyam. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.